In this video, we will talk about how to fix Microsoft Photos app not working Windows 11. Method 1. Restart, repair, or reset the Photos app. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left, click on Apps. Select Installed Apps. In Search, type Photos. Click on 3 dots. Select Advanced Options. Scroll down. Click on Terminate. Now click in Search, type Photos, and open it. If this doesn't work, click on Repair. Then try to open it. If still not working, you can go with Reset. And if you do so, Reset will delete your app data. Method 2. Reinstall Microsoft Photos. Click on Uninstall. Then open Microsoft Store. In Search, type Microsoft Photos and click on Get. Method 3. Clear Microsoft Store cache. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Run. Type WS Reset and click on OK. This clears cache and reopens Store. Method 4. Check for damaged system files. Click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type these following commands one by one and press Enter. I have mentioned both commands in the description. After running commands, click on Start and restart your PC. So that's how you can fix Microsoft Photos app not working Windows 11. See you in the next video.